Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We have a very special video for you guys. Happy Galentine's Day!
Happy Galentine Day!
And happy Valentine's Day in advance as well. So for the ones that are not familiar with Galentine,
I'm not. So can you tell us, please?
You're about to be.
Thank you.
It originated from the TV show Parks and Recreation.
Love, my favorite show. Okay,
so
continue.
Okay. The lead character hosts a Galentine's Day brunch.
In what episode?
I don't know, look it up. That's what Google was for.
Okay.
And since then, people all over in real life have been celebrating it. So whether you're single on Valentine's Day and you want to just celebrate it with your girls, or you're not, you can get the best of both worlds. Galentine's is on the 13th. And Valentine's Day is on the 14th.
You don't need to remind me.
Stop. I'm sure you have a lot of options.
I don't. I'm a single gal.
No comment. So it's all about ladies supporting ladies, celebrating their love for each other. So this video is all about giving you tips on how to host a super last minute slumber party or cocktail party for Galentine's or Valentine's Day through easy appetizers, a cocktail, simple decor, and a gift guide that applies both for Galentine and also for Valentine's.
Exactly. And it's all under budget.
Exactly. Sit back and enjoy, because once this is done, it'll be your turn to put all of this together.
You better get into it. Get with the program. Get with us. Get with the Galentine.
Yes.
And the Valentine.
Tell them.
Cheers.
And that. Let's get into the recipes. get into the gift guide.
We're gonna give you guys some tips. First thing first is
a perfume set.
Wow, how original.
Bye. It's rose gold. It's from Bulgari. It's very in theme for Valentine's Day. Galentine. Smells amazing. And this is what it looks like. Right? And let me just put it on.
It smells really
good. It smells so good.
Okay, the next gift I have for you guys is a candle. Don't you just love like going home to like a nice set? Like what I love to do is like before like I woke up early, I light my candle, and right before I leave for work, blow my candle out, and when I got home, that scent is still linger. It's like the best feeling.
It really is. I agree.
Yeah, and I usually use like one candle so I have like that scent of home. But you know, if someone give me a new one, I would love to try it out. This is the Marshmallow Fireside. Bath and Body Works. Super affordable, cute, yeah. This is a really good gift for your girls who don't usually clean. So, just a remind.
So you would call them out?
Well, that's what best friends do.
I guess. That's true, that's true. Next one is a toiletry bag and, are you ready? A makeup bag.
Aww.
Yeah, they're from Guyana. Check them out if you haven't yet. So this one is monogrammed. So for the purpose of this video, being that it's last minute, you would not be able to get it monogrammed, but you could get something very similar. In my case, I usually use this, like I said, for a toiletry bag when I'm traveling. But this one, the little one, is in my everyday bag. So I'll switch, whenever I switch bags, I include this one. And I have my essentials in it, like my favorite lip gloss, lipstick of the moment, powder, whatever I need, charger. I put it in this, and it's like a really decent size. Like, it's not too big, it's not too small.
Yeah.
You can still fit a lot. That's a great gift. I would definitely appreciate this. And well, in this case, this one is the perfect color. It's red.
And it's such a good organizer as well for when you travel.
Exactly.
Or just every day. I usually have one of those little bags in my tote bag as well when I go to work, just to put on my things that I need to find quickly.
Exactly. Keys, yeah. It's so convenient.
This is for the girls who are hungry. This is cupcake.
Is it really one though? Could I eat it right now?
Kidding! It's a bath bomb.
Cool.
But it looks like a cupcake.
And this one in particular came all the way from France. But you can find a similar one, I'm sure.
That's cute. On the way from Paris. Paris, New York. So this is a perfect gift for someone that you hate but also love. That you want them to eat it, but not telling them that it's actually a bath bomb.
Who does that? Why would you gift a gift to someone who you think is...
But if that someone really couldn't figure out what it is with all this label, then they deserve it. Don't you think?
I mean, I guess. But when you're hungry, you're hungry. You don't read the labels.
In all seriousness, I love bath bomb. Literally, bathtub is so important in my life. That's the one thing I look for, even apartment.
Yep.
I love a good end of day, just sitting in the bathtub, hot water, just sitting there, relax my mind. And the bath bomb really help. Like stepping out, smell amazing, moisturized.
No. Essential.
That's it. I'm good for today.
Yeah. Awesome gift.
Last but not least, this is a gift bag.
That's
and
cute.
what's inside this bag?
What it is?
Well, I guess you never know. I'm kidding.
Tell us, girl.
It's a mix of different products for the girls who's always on the run.
Ooh.
You know, you always have that one friend.
Right.
You have no idea where is she.
Ever.
What she's up to.
But she has her essentials apparently.
But she's living on the gram. Yep,
right.
This is for her.
Yeah. That's so true.
So first is Mario Pedescio. My favorite facial spray.
Mine as well.
As a matter of fact.
Spray assist, please. Love it.
Do you feel like a new person?
Totally.
Okay. Next one, moisturizer and cleanser in travel size bag, because I'm not playing with those custom guys.
The TSA?
The TSA? Girl. What's the TSA? No. Not today, Satan, not today, TSA. And this is so important that if everyone carry this around, the world will be a much cleaner, fresher place.
What is it?
It's a travel size toothpaste and toothbrush.
Oh, preach, girl, yes. A lot of people, you
because
know.
Because after that onion fine dining experience, you need these. And last but not least is this facial mask. I love carrying facial masks with me even on the plane.
Isn't it the best? Yes.
Yeah. But for some reason, every time we do it on a plane, people look at me like I'm crazy.
I know, like they've never seen a mask. I know.
Like, I know I'm beautiful and stuff, but like, damn. This is my favorite. It's from Tony Moly. I'm Real, the Pearl Matte Sheet.
Because you know we're real.
After this, like, your skin just illuminating. I like to do my face mask, then do my makeup. It's a game changer.
It really, and it goes on like seamlessly.
Yeah. When you have a good base,
yeah,
that's the most important.
Can't do anything without the base, that's true.
And for the bag, it's super compact. And for me, it's even when you go camping or outdoors, this is...
I'm just trying to picture you camping.
Well, I'm giving it to someone.
Yes, oh my God, that was the funniest
I do go camping.
I can't breathe.
She's so mean.
Leave us a comment below if you can picture Pascal at camping. That is too funny.
I came all the time when I was younger. I ride buffalo.
I'm gonna need receipts.
My mom has photos. But yeah, this is water resistant. So for the girls who love camping, who love outdoor like me, this is perfect.
Yeah, that's a good one.
That's it for today, guys.
So sad.
But thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys learned a thing or two from this video.
They're definitely experts now.
Exactly. And if you stay this long, please don't forget to subscribe. Give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. And let us know what you think. We would love to hear from you.
Time for you to leave now and for us to turn out. Keep the